Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be tracing from 1 to 20 with different colors. Let us get started. This is blue color. 1 2 3 4 5 This is red color. 6 7 8 9 10 This is dark pink color. 11 12 13 14 15 This is orange color. 16 17 18 19 20 Now we will count one by one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 Thank you kids for watching this. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.